We are one day out from moving, and let me tell you, this shit is stressful. Stressful. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But girl, you need to get it together. So today is Friday, November 22nd, and Alan and I are officially moving tomorrow. We don't technically need to be out until Saturday, November 30th, but honestly, we just don't want to compile everything into just like one day and the last day. It would be just like too much. So we're actually going to move all of the rest of our stuff tomorrow, and then Sunday my plan is to organize our entire room, go through everything, just get the entire room organized. That way Monday morning we're starting fresh at our new place. I'll have to come back next week at some point because I'm gonna need to like deep clean the crap out of this condo, but for right now today is all about packing. I need a little bit of fuel, so breakfast is 2 scrambled eggs, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, and a kiwi. I am literally starving. I'm gonna show you guys our room. So yesterday we sold our like bed frame, so we had to put the mattress on the floor and just like sleep this way. I sold my dresser that was in this little corner, and this is where I'm gonna have to eat breakfast, on the floor on the mattress. It's actually crazy because I'm still in the middle of selling things. This like little shelf unit somebody's picking up today. This TV we're actually bringing to Alan's mom. She wants to use it, so our other TV I need to sell at some point. I'm also going to attempt to put these curtains on Facebook Marketplace today, and just like, even if I get 20 bucks, like I just want it gone. It's funny because I was watching moving vlogs myself, and I give the girls credit. Like all the girls I was watching, they literally had their hair done, their makeup done, and then I just like look like this. Like, got baby hairs everywhere, I got greasy hair, like just not looking cute, and I give it to those girls. But moving, it is a lot of work, and I'm not trying to look cute. I think Kobe is like very confused on what's going on. You're so cute though, dude. He likes to, oh thank you, he likes to actually sleep under the bed. So like at night he would literally like go to the side and then go under our bed frame. But now that it's gone, literally last night it was so funny, he spent 15 minutes, he would just run back and forth like this along the bed, and he was like trying to go under, and he was like looking at us like, what the heck is going on? Oh, my hubby's calling. Sorry, Alan called me and I got sidetracked because he had somebody here to pick up something that he was selling. So I had to go down and meet him, and then I came back and I finished food, and then I started watching Gilmore Girls. Now I need to actually start packing. Let me show you the status of our place right now though. Earlier this week, I think on Wednesday, we sold our couch, which is great. I still need to sell this. I don't know why nobody is buying this chair. I really thought somebody would. Also these pillows. The mirror I'm taking with me to our new place. This TV we need to sell, and that's Kobe's crate. Obviously we're bringing it. It's honestly a little bit of chaos going on here with random stuff. This stuff I want to bring to Plateaus to try and sell. Last night we went to my mother-in-law's for dinner, and she had some boxes, so she gave us like this big Home Depot one, and then there's like already pre-made boxes in this big one, so we're gonna use that to move stuff. This is all of my clothes that was in the dresser that I sold, so I need to put that in bags. That's my ornament stuff. In this bathroom, we had a shelf. I sold that. This is just some of my like toiletry accessories. I just put them here for space. And then what the chaos is this room. So all of this stuff we're trying to sell. This we're actually gonna take with us. This is our Silhouette Cameo. So I use this for my vinyl, and I'm gonna bring this little shelf so I can keep all of that stuff organized. Of course, Alan is gonna be taking his like setup. We're not taking this table. I think we're just gonna throw it in the garbage. And then I need to just pack up his clothes as well. Right now I need to just start getting on things though, so I think I'm gonna clear the floor here, and I'm just going to put all of my clothes and Alan's clothes on the floor so I can figure out what I can put in boxes and what I can put in bags. Would you believe me if I told you that this was just gym clothes? Because it is. I have a problem. had to change because I'm getting so hot, but now I'm going to attempt to put away our pots and pans. I already, like, I have things in the house I can just nibble on for lunch and like snacks, and then probably tonight Alan and I will go out for dinner because tomorrow is actually our 9-year anniversary, like 9 years of dating. I know we're married now, but we've been together for 9 years and we're moving tomorrow, so we're not gonna really be celebrating, so I think we'll just go out tonight. The pots and pans that we have it's like a big set that my mother-in-law actually bought us. We weren't even using all of them. Like, I have so many in here that are still in the plastic, and it's honestly just because in this condo we didn't have enough room for like a 12-piece pot and pan set, but I'm gonna keep it, obviously. Like, these are so good quality, so eventually when we have a house we'll use it, but for now we're just gonna keep it in storage. This one, honestly, I don't think we need to keep, so I'll probably just donate it. I have this cake pan. This is good, so I'm gonna keep that. Honestly, all of these, like, I really don't think I need. Like, my mother-in-law has all of this, and like, they're old and outdated, and like, I can just get new ones when we eventually get a new house. I think the only one I'll keep is like this tray. This is really good for like cupcakes and muffins and stuff. Why do I have so much clothes? I have not even done my closet yet, or Alan's. Lord have mercy. Oh my god. It's a lot later right now, 9 p.m. and this is what everything is looking like. Honestly, I've put it all here. I have this stuff here. I'm looking crazy right now. It was such a long day. I'm actually exhausted, so I'm gonna go to bed. We were actually planning on moving stuff with my dad's truck and our car, but now we're just getting a U-Haul because we have way more things than I thought. We still need my mirror, we still need to bring our mattress, we need to get our bikes, so I think it's just better to do a U-Haul and then it's just like one and done. So we're gonna pick that up in the morning and then we're gonna get rolling. Hello you guys, happy Monday. So it's been 2 days since we moved in, and honestly the whole process was super exhausting, and that's why I didn't record too much of it, just because like so much was going on and I was like, I need to focus. But I am currently in the room. We are all moved in. So Saturday, just to recap, we ended up moving and we brought everything here. We got the U-Haul, and honestly it went really fast and easy and smooth. It just was a lot to go through and organize, so I think honestly we were doing it until like 10:30 p.m. I don't know if you can hear Kobe. He gets so pissed off when I'm up here and he's down there. He just barks. And then yesterday was Sunday. We had to go back because we actually forgot our bikes, so we had to go back, pick them up, and then I went with my mother-in-law and spent 5 hours just cleaning the entire condo, like head to toe, just cleaning. It was so weird weird seeing it like empty, because the last time we saw it empty was when we first moved in, obviously, and that was 5 years ago, and it feels like so long ago. But yeah, everything is pretty much set up. We have a little bit of things to do here and there, and I have to decorate slightly, but let me show you everything. We have a lot of open space here, so I don't know if I'm gonna do anything, at least not yet, but I just put a garbage can and our laundry basket there. You guys have seen this, our TV and our dresser. Actually, I don't know if you guys have seen the TV. I don't know if I put that in the last vlog or not, but we bought a 50-inch TV off of Best Buy. This stuff here on the floor I still need to go through. That's just a bunch of like photos, and that's like just random papers and pens and stuff, so I gotta go through that. This is some Christmas stuff that I bought from Amazon, which I'm gonna tackle this week because I want to decorate our room. I have Kobe's bed and then our mirror. I was initially thinking of actually hanging it, but I think we're gonna leave it like this. And then in this space right here, we're thinking of actually putting the painting that we got at our wedding. I have it sitting over here. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys this before, but this is what it looks like. It's from our first dance. It's so beautiful. We have these LED lights. I don't know if you can see it hanging down, but we need to change them because a lot of them are like broken. And then this is our bed, so we put our mattress on, of course, and then our sheets. We have the night tables, which I still need to kind of go through because they look kind of messy. I put like underwear, socks in the top one, and then my pajamas in the bottom. And then on Alan's side at the top, he's just putting his random stuff, and on the bottom we're putting like electronics, so like tripods, cameras, like external hard drives, phone chargers. I don't know what I want to do yet here because I feel like it's kind of bare, so I might put some photos up, but that will be like a work in progress. This is a shelf we picked up from IKEA. We built it last weekend and just put some things on there of my books and just like little trinkets just to kind of decorate it. And then of course we have our closets. Everything is organized and set up. The only thing is we still don't have doors, so it's kind of just looks like this, but it's fine, it's organized. Down here, this is the same as the condo. I literally just brought these as is. I had this like in my closet like the same way, so I just figured I'd keep it the same here. That's like all summer clothes and bikinis. And then up here, like I had this on the shelf in my closet, so I just put that there. My gym bag, we have some hats, I put some jewelry there, some hair stuff here, my purses, and I friggin' love this little organizer I bought from Amazon. Just like that it's organized and I don't have to like throw my purses anywhere. I could just see what they are and just grab it. I have way more heels, but because we're like in the fall going into the winter, if I go out and wear heels, these are the only two I would ever wear, so I put those there. I love this bed so much. It's like, oh, it's perfect. I love it. And the TV, we got like this wall mount. It like swivels. It's not like a fixed wall mount, so we can like tilt the TV down or up or like move it left or right, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, this is our new little space. I love it. It's so cute. In this room, I don't know if you guys can tell in the videos, but it is so friggin' big. And honestly, like I love the timing of this because, you know, it's gonna be Christmas soon and I can decorate, and I'm very like, I don't know, Christmas makes it feel like home, so I think that's gonna help me specifically or like personally, you know, transition a little bit more. Yeah, I am excited for this new chapter. Kobe's still barking, if you can hear him. I swear the neighbors here are going to hate us. Hate us. That is it. I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. This was part 3 and I guess like the little finale because we're all moved in now. Now I am just going to get this room all Christmas vibes, and oh my god, I can't believe it's almost December. So Vlogmas is coming. Make sure you guys subscribe to me down below so you don't miss any of the vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.